Hi there, this is Shubham Mittal from deciphertechnic.com. Today we are going to unbox this new Flipkart Smart Buy trimmer. I have recently bought it from Flipkart. It cost me around 750 rupees. Let's quickly unbox this package I got from Flipkart. This is the package itself, the Flipkart Smart Buy printed upon the top, and this is the side. This is the next side. Nothing on the side. On the flip we have these details of the product. This product, month and year of import August 2019. Okay, the MRP is 16.99, but I got it at around 750 rupees. So this is the product, beard trimmer PR 1971. This is good trimmer, I think. 60 minutes run time it is having. It is chargeable through USB cable. What are the contents of the box? These are written here: one number trimmer, one user manual, one USB cable, 4 attachments, and one dock. Okay, this is good thing. They are giving also the dock with it. So let's quickly unbox this. Yeah, it is nicely presented inside. Okay, what these are the contents. The dock is behind this packaging. This is the user manual. Thank you for giving this trimmer a home. It's on a mission to make you look good. I almost went clean shaven once. It was a close shave. Phew. Flipkart Smart Buy trimmer suit. This is just a primary user guide. Anyways, we don't need it. Let's quickly unbox this dock first. It is the specialty of the product, I think. This is the dock. This is the USB cable we are getting from with it. This is the micro USB cable. This is the typical smartphone cable. Note that we do not have any charging brick. We can use the charging brick of any smartphone charger with it. This is the cable. I think it is nice quality. You can see it. Okay. These are combs. 3 combs they are giving. This is the cleaning brush. Nice cleaning brush with it. And this is the oil. Like this to place all our attachments. Now we will see this. This is the trimmer itself. Nice looking trimmer, shiny glossy finish. There is the film upon it. I am not removing it for now. This is the trimmer. This is another kind of blade for closer trimming. Okay, this is another kind of blade. This is used for precision cutting, precision trimming. We can shape our beard to our designed shape. This is some sort of epilator kind of thing, used for trimming the closer hairs for body trimming. This is a nice thing with this trimmer. This is nose hair trimmer. Many attachments I am having with it. I think it's good deal. In 750 rupees, I think it is very good. These are other combs. This is 12mm comb. This is 12mm comb. This is regular comb. They are not given the height of this comb. So total we are having 5 combs: 3mm, 6mm, 9mm, 12mm, and this another one. This is the trimmer, and these are the attachments to replace the blades. This is for closer trimming. This is for precision trimming. This is for closer trimming. This is for body hair trimming. This is for nose. So it's a pretty much good deal. I think it is very good. In 750 rupees I am getting this dock, these 5 attachments, 5 comb attachments, and these are the various kinds of trimming. These blade support, closer body hair trimming, nose trimming, precision trimming, some closer trimming. This USB cable I can use it with dock, so any USB charger will work with it. No hassles of having any damaging charger or anything, so it is quite good. Let's place these things inside the dock right now. Let's place these combs. So these nice things you can like place it like this in your washroom or where you do your shaving things. It's a very good deal. I think you should buy this. Quite powerful. The changing these is also very easy. I can change it with body hair trimming. See, very nice. Without any hassle, I can use any kind of trimmer. This is nose trimmer. Very good. Let's try to place a comb over this trimmer. Let's place 12 mm comb. First of all, plug it like this and then press it. That's easy. We can make a very long beard, uniform beard of 12 mm with this comb. Very nice. I think no other trimmer is having this 12 mm setting. Most of the trimmers are having 1 to 10 mm only. So it may suit the people who like very long beard. And for a closer beard, 1 mm beard, the blade can be used as it is without any comb. That's it. So these are the leftover things. I don't know where to place these, but the brush can be placed here itself. Okay. The oil is not used every time. The oil can be placed somewhere else. This comb should be used with it. Okay. This comb is with this attachment, so I can readily use keep it with itself only. Then this is the USB cable. Let's unwrap this USB cable right now. This is the cable, 1 meter cable. I think the length of the cable may be a lacking shortage for this trimmer, but you are going to charge it once and it will last 60 minutes na? So it is quite good. We can plug it here. Okay, then use any charging brick to charge it. The input is 5 volt 300 milliamperes, so somewhere around 1.5 watt. It gets charged with 1.5 watt power. So conventionally nowadays the chargers are 10 watt or 12 watt, so you may expect to get it charged in 6 to 7 hours. This was the unboxing of our new trimmer, Flipkart SmartBuy PR1971. Quite a good deal I got from Flipkart. Nowadays Flipkart big sale season is going on, so you may get one more offer or anything like that on credit cards or debit cards. I don't know, you may explore further. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please share, subscribe and comment.